Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for planning. First, create a new page and give it a clear title like My Planning Hub. Then, explore Notion's built-in templates for quick setup or start from scratch. Organize your tasks and projects using databases, which are incredibly flexible. This foundational setup will be your central command center for all your planning needs. Once your pages are set up, it's time to manage your tasks. Add properties to your database entries, such as a due date, status, and priority level. You can then easily filter and sort your tasks to see what's most urgent or what's coming up next. Don't forget to set reminders for critical deadlines, ensuring you stay on track and never miss an important item. For larger projects, Notion truly shines. Link related pages together to keep all your project information in one place. Track the progress of each project with clear status updates, moving from not started to completed. Visualize your project timelines using calendar or timeline views, giving you a clear overview of milestones and deadlines. This helps manage complex workflows efficiently. To elevate your planning, dive into advanced features. Create custom templates for recurring tasks or projects, saving you valuable time. Automate simple workflows using Notion buttons, making common actions a single click. Consider integrating Notion with other tools you use, like calendar apps, for enhanced functionality. These customizations will make your planning system uniquely yours and incredibly efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.